This is my culmination project for EDC 707. My name is Shayla Marable Carter. Teacher leadership. Teacher leadership is defined as a set of skills demonstrated by teachers who teach students, but also have influences that expand beyond the classroom to others within the school and elsewhere. Being a teacher leader means you are able to help fellow colleagues with issues that might arise and problem solve with school or classroom related issues. This role does not take the place of administration, but works with them to make the school community a better environment for colleagues and students. Teacher leadership characteristics and professional dispositions. Some characteristics and professional dispositions that teacher leaders need to possess are being creative, flexible, and lifelong learners. They also need to be able to lead beyond the classroom and take responsibility for achieving the outcome of different tasks, identify with and contribute to the community, and influence others to improve on their educational practices. Teacher leaderships requires the teacher to lead beyond their classroom and empower other teachers to realize their professional worth while still maintaining their role as a teacher in the classroom. The importance of professional development for teacher leaders. Professional development for teacher leaders is something that should be ongoing throughout the entire school year. Teacher leaders need to gain continuous understanding of ways that they can help to improve in their classroom, their schools, and the community in which they work in. Each teacher leader has an area that he or she excels in. This area should be showcased and expounded upon. This allows the teacher leader to help others that might struggle in that area. My personal professional development goals. My personal goals for becoming a better leader are to work on my time management and my organization. This will also allow me to gain better control of what is going on in my room. There are several professional development trainings and webinars that I would like to look into. Each year, I attend the Kindergarten Conference. This is a nationwide conference that allows kindergarten teachers from all over the world to come and unite and gain an opportunity to gather ideas and different ways that we can better help our students to become successful. The role of the teacher in terms of educational change or referral. With teacher retention becoming more of a problem each year, educational reform is becoming more difficult. People who are entering the field of education are finding it more difficult than expected. Education, especially in kindergarten, is nothing like it was 10 years ago. Kindergartners are expected to be reading by the end of the school year, whereas 10 to 15 years ago, they were able to nap and focus more on play and social skills. These changes can make it more difficult for teachers because they are expected to show significant growth with little to no help from the administration, the district, or home. Teacher leadership perspectives. Teacher leadership perspectives are being able to make the changes that others have not. This gives leaders something to work towards and allows them to stay on their toes. Teacher leadership gives teachers alternatives to leadership roles. Most teachers have always looked at leadership as an administrative role, and teacher leadership gives teachers that added outlet needed to focus on helping others without the truly demanding role of principal or the district board level. Reflections on my teacher leadership in my career. I am currently the lead teacher for my team, and as team lead, I am responsible for all things kindergarten at my school. With this said, I have to make sure that I am setting examples for my teammates that look to me for answers to questions I oftentimes don't have the answers to. Over the last 2 years, we have transitioned to standard-based report cards based off of our learning targets. I developed the report cards and the assessments that were needed and used examples from surrounding school systems. As a teacher leader, I feel that I have plenty of work to ensure that I am leading by example and able to help my colleagues, students, and members of the community to the best of my ability. I plan to work on my organization and my time management over the summer so that I will have a better flow in my classroom and be able to meet any challenges head on. How have my views transformed pertaining to teacher leadership? My views of teacher leadership have not changed drastically, but I have gained a better understanding of what teacher leadership is. I am always under the impression that leadership was only in administration and coaching. I enjoyed reading both books, Awakening the Sleeping Giant and Teacher Leadership. They gave me great insight on what it takes to be a great leader for myself and my school. Valuable learning points from this course. This course has given me a greater insight on what teacher leadership truly is and how I can better improve myself as a teacher leader. Being able to look back at assignments and using it towards future tasks in my school and community is something that I would not have been able to gather on my own. The books that were assigned for us to read were great resources that I can use throughout the remainder of my teaching career. Lingering about teacher leadership. Besides administration, what other roles of leadership can I pursue and still remain in the classroom? What are some things teacher leaders can do to help involve the community more in the school and gain greater support?